Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. I'm out here at the track, my John Deere tractor. Over the weekend I had a little blowout on the tire. I'll talk about that later. I gotta go do my chores first. I hear them hollering, so let's go do that. That way we gotta be aggravated. But I'll show you what we're gonna be doing when we come back. So let's run down here to the barn and feed the animals, and hopefully it won't take, well, I gotta move today, so it'll take a little bit. So let's go get that knocked out and then we'll come back and fix this. All right, let's see how everybody's doing. Of course, you know they're dying. They ain't ate in a couple of hours. How y'all doing? How's the lovebird? Huh? Let's see how the little girlies are doing. All right, I'm gonna get some food set up and throw to them, and let me get some food and I'll tell you kind of what I'm wanting to do with these girls here. So I'm gonna start working with these girls probably this weekend, maybe. Let them get used to me, because they're the future of my milking herd here. And I think what I'm gonna do is get some animal crackers and go in there and sit with them and feed them a little bit and try to pet them and stuff and get them used to me. So making sure they got water. Yeah. That way when it comes turn for them to milk, they'll be used to this, in theory anyway. All right, let's go do the chickens. Yeah, I had a little gap in the back, and I seen a fox up there the other day, about 2 days ago. It was more of here, right around the curve, probably about, maybe a mile as the crow flies. So I had a little spot there, and I didn't want it to crawl in there and get them, so. Now these things are 24 weeks, and I haven't got the first egg, so. That's kind of disappointing, because I mean they take a lot of food. They take the same food as the ones producing, and they're not laying. So I figured those, especially the commercial ones, supposed to start laying at 22 weeks. So. I don't know. Of course, they never lay as quick as you want to. Never. All right, it's to the sheep. That was Big Red. She don't like to be on camera. Come on, girl. Here you are. Oh, come on. It ain't gonna hurt you. She's camera shy. Come on up here, girl. That's Big Red. Anyway, you know what? I was supposed to move him and I forgot. So, oh well. The only bad thing about him moving too far is I get to watch him while I eat supper. I kind of enjoy that. So, I probably got 3 or 4 more good days of watching. So, also I've had the broodiest hens out of this bunch this year. I don't know what the deal is. But seems like it's been a battle all year about broody hens. Of course, you know. I was also supposed to stop and get some shavings today, and I forgot that too. So these need more shavings in them. All right, let's go work on that tractor. So I was bush hogging Saturday afternoon. We're trying to get all our bush hogging caught up and mowing caught up and backyard. I can't run my mower through there. I went to bush hog first. But I went to make a turn and I noticed the tractor action was funny. So the next turn I turned and I looked down at this tire and it was off the rim. And I thought, crap. So came up here, put it, took my strap deal and put it back on the rim, filling it up with air. And those kept hearing a leak. And it was out of the sidewall. Somehow I'd cut the sidewall. What I mean is the actual side of the tire was cut right through here. I don't know if you can see it. Let me move the camera. Yeah, the tire had a big old gash right through here in the sidewall. And of course, ain't no way to fix it, so, or there ain't no way to patch something like that. So I'd go buy a new tire today, $129 to put on. Those tires, I got both those replaced not long ago, maybe 3 years ago. I think they were $106 in. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this on, and I got one more thing. I gotta take my little buddy for a ride. I usually take him in the evenings for a little ride. My little puppy buddy. So let's get this on and go get him because he's probably waiting on me. Well, it wasn't that bad. Of course, I used the tractor as the jack, the front end loader, so I jacked it up now. It's a good looking tire. It's got a metal stem on it. I like that a lot. So, all right, I'm gonna cut this air compressor off and I'm gonna go get my little buddy here. We usually go faster than that because the wind blows in his face, you know. He just got a bath too. Boy, he is soft as a little fuzzball. But we come down here to the garden, and I've got some squash coming up right there. I'm gonna get out and show you that. And I got some cucumbers I thought I seen yesterday coming up. I thought I seen some right here. Let's go over here and look at them. Come on, let's go. Well, here's some. Yeah, I got several I planted down through there of probably my 5th planting of cucumbers, and I think this is probably my 5th planting of squash right here. I've got, I only put about, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's put about 7 hills out. And over here, some more cucumbers coming up right here. So I've got about 7 or 8 hills here. I think them are what I had left over of Arkansas little leaf. And them over there are a different variety I haven't grown before. Let's ride over and look at the peppers. I think I got some little peppers coming in. So I've got the new pepper that I'm growing here. Let me get him because he ain't supposed to get dirty. He just has his bath. If he gets down this dirt, oh Lord Daddy, yo Papa will get in trouble. Yeah, yo Papa will get big trouble, won't he? Right here's the name of him. But I finally got some coming in, so pretty excited about that. Yeah, I got a few more jalapenos coming in down here. That's probably my 3rd planting of those. I've got to come down here and pick. Oh my Lord. Got jalapenos crazy over there and green peppers. So I might come down here, go put him at the house and pick. So okay, I'm gonna take him back to the house and try to get some speed up. Let's see how he likes it. He likes to go a little faster than what we did. I appreciate everybody watching. My stuff came in, so I can't do a live tomorrow. I got to take Emily back to school, to college tomorrow. So well, I'll just do a regular video for Friday and show you all the stuff we're giving away and how to enter and all that stuff. So I appreciate everybody watching. Give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. I appreciate everybody watching. I appreciate all your subscribers. So does Louie. He appreciates everybody. Hit that subscribe button right over here. So even a dog, a little puppy can do it. See, look. Hey, support your local farmer. We'll see you down in the farm next video.